Now there are also certain challenges for the microfinance institutions where women are like, where this microfinance institution services is not reaching for the women, and these include lack of infrastructure facilities, and people in the remote areas don't have this infrastructure facilities. The roads, they don't have proper infrastructure, so it is hard for the microfinance institutions to connect with them. So in this way, they're not rendering these services properly. And the second reason is the seasonal migration here, because people in the rural areas, as we all know, they migrate from one place to another in search of work. It will become hard for the microfinance institution to render the service, and also becomes difficult to the microfinance institution to track the clients who has took the loans at the interest rate. So it will take time for the loan repayment also. And it also promotes financial literacy and awareness, as we discussed in the positive. But in the reality, most of the rural women even doesn't know about the microfinance, the loans, what is interest, and this is also one of the reason why they're not getting this microfinance services. So this is also one of the reason. And also social barriers, especially I discussed that most of the men in the rural areas are patriarchal mindset, and they're expected to do only the household work. So there are such certain cultural barriers where women should not go outside. So if the microfinance institutions established near to the villages also, women will not go. So they will not even able to know how these microfinance institutions are working. So this is also one of the reason. And lack of financial literacy and awareness is also one of the reason. Even though we have this many challenges in the microfinance institutions, it has created a large impact in matters of investment or in matters of empowerment of the women, etc. So microfinance has this impacts of both positive and negative, but positive has its more impact. It has created a lot which resulted in the rural development. Thank you.